Hey guys, Anna here from My Digital. Here's a quick guide showing the setup and core functions of ProMap Store Locator. Set up your API key to get started, then paste your Google Maps API key and click Save. Next, remember to turn on the Store Locator page. Here, you can customize the Store Locator URL, auto-publish changes, enable query URLs, and set redirect options. You can also adjust dynamic map settings to show stores based on zoom levels and map position. Enable auto-detect location, configure default search functionality, and set your store's operating hours. Once you've set up your API key and configured your settings, you can move to the Design tab. Here, you can select what store or result fields to display, adjust color, font, and icon settings, or choose between different map styles to match your brand's aesthetic. With your basic settings configured, we can now add your first store location. Enter the details for your store, including the name, address, hours, and any extra info. Once complete, click Done to add the store to your map. Now, let's add your new store locator to your website's main menu. Go to Online Store, then Navigation, and click on Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item, enter Store Locator as the name, and paste your Store Locator URL link, which is shown at the top of your ProMap backend. Click Add and then Save menu. Now, when you go to the front end, you will see the tab Store Locations in the main menu. Your customers can easily find and navigate to your store locations. And finally, use ProMap's analytics to gain insights into customer engagement, popular searches, and store visits. If you ever need support, our 24/7 live chat team is here to help with any questions or issues. You can also visit our website to learn how other successful Shopify merchants have increased revenue with ProMaps. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.